Nero Davola 100%. Do you know when and who was the first winery to produce a wine like this? It's 1984, we are in Sicily, we are with Duca Enrico of Duca di Salaparuta. So the first ever 100% Nero Davola is this exact bottle of wine that we have in front of us. I just cracked it open, I put it in the glass, and I'm already getting this phenomenal balsamic action that even from here is coming up. Blackberries, there is a little bit of these vanilla-like spices, like Tahiti vanilla, and also leather. Some kind of like slightly floral, but just a touch, because it's all about the black-driven fruit, and it's about the blue flowers and these dry Mediterranean herbs. On the palate, expect anything but character, structure, velvet elegance, lots of length, and a little bit of oak spices. The wine goes through 18 months of oak aging, plus another 18 months of bottle aging. This is a wine to be enjoyed by itself, or if you want to match some food, it's got to be some proper meat or some dry cheese. But going back to Duca di Salaparuta for a second, you have to imagine this incredible brand, this winery that was put together over 200 years ago by a noble family, the Aliata, in Palermo, Casteldaccia to be precise. And then Duca Enrico is a tribute to one of the most important members of the family, the winemaker, one of the greatest winemakers of Sicily, a true enological maestro. So what I love about Sicily and about Duca is that whenever you have a sip of wine, it's like having a sip of history. Arrivederci. For more tips, tricks, and love, follow our social media, subscribe to our channel, and drink some good wine.